Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I want to share with you my toddler's bedroom reveal. So back in May, I took on a declutter challenge. This was Ava's room since she was 6 months old, but because we live in a 2-bedroom apartment and we don't have any extra storage, I was using this room as her storage, and she was kind of sleeping over here in her cot with clutter all around her. I do have videos that share my journey of decluttering that, and I will have them linked below for you to check out. But today I want to reveal her room to you. I'm super happy with the way it turned out. It really is a lovely space for her. It will definitely grow with her if we're here for a long while, and if we move it is quite easy to take down, and it shouldn't leave too much marks. So yeah, without further ado, let me show you Ava's room. So if you remember back to what Ava's room is like, that was before and this is now. So when you enter her room, the first thing that meets you is the stickers, the decals on the wall. We have her bed, we have a bed rail, that's just what we choose to have. We have her activity center, a chair, one of those Fisher-Price chairs with Minnie and Mickey. Over here on the side we have her dresser table. We just took off the changing pad top bit. On her dresser table we have these little trinkets. So we got this frame as a gift. This was also a gift from Newbridge Silverware from my sister. It's a little money box. And then also baby's first money bank as well. Up here we have the hat that we purchased in Walt Disney World for Ava last year. It has her name embroidered on it. The Fisher-Price chair with Minnie and Mickey. And then the Bee Zany Zoo Activity Center. So her cot turned into this cot bed with some Minnie Mouse linen on it. And then this magnificence. I purchased these off eBay and I'll have them linked in the description. Everything that I mentioned that I can find, I'll have linked in the description for you. I love this. I love all of these. So good. We then have the curtains that we purchased in IKEA. We have very tall windows, so there's only a certain type of curtain. Over here, her tie box and the drawers are from IKEA. And then these are just sectioned into up on top of it. We have just a little selection of her toys. Love this Melissa and Doug. Her little picnic basket at the back, her stacker. Also love this. She gets really good use out of this. Her little flip top 2-in-1 computer from Leapfrog. We have our monitor and then the Fisher Price thing back here. We also have some of these little guys. These are from a pack that I got in TK Maxx, but the actual It's a Small World stickers keep falling off. And then we got this from The Range. Over here to our little reading section, we have 2 IKEA frames and just a selection of her books there, or IKEA shelves should I call them. I have these in an IKEA haul, but again I'll have that linked. Down here we have just a few little cushions, a little doll's pram, and then here this red is a little balance bike. It's called Toddler Bike 2. And then over here is our wardrobes. Those stickers I got from Pennies or Primark. And you saw me doing this at the start of the week. And then the final thing on this back wall, we have this. So we have a couple of those It's a Small World stickers. And then these 2 canvas that I got from The Range as well. Love both of these. And that's it. That is everything. I am so impressed with how her room turned out. Because her room is kind of small. Oh, I forgot to mention, this rug here feels amazing on your feet. I got it from Dunnes Stores. But as I was saying, I absolutely love her room. She loves being in it. She loves having the space to play. It's her own room. We're working on her trying to clean it up. Her only play with a couple of things at one time. But I am super impressed with how it turned out. So that's it, guys. There you have it. As I said in the video, I am really chuffed. I will have all of the links to everything I can find that I showed you down in the description. So if you're interested, I'm sorry about the light, I'm right in front of the window and it's getting darker and lighter with the cloud movement, because it is after 3. Probably not the best time to record, but anyways, so yeah, I'm super impressed. I love her room. In fact, I want to be in that room all the time. One thing that I would have loved was to get a bigger rug, but I couldn't find anything local, and Ava loves this rug. I was going to bring it back because I think it's just a little bit too small for the area, but she's having none of it. She just lies on it and spreads her arms, rubs them up and down and stuff. So if she's happy, I'm happy, you know. So myself and Robert are really chuffed with her room. I love the canvases here, and the rug, and especially the wall with the stickers took a very long time for me to complete, but I'm delighted with the way it turned out. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I always want to know what you guys think. Yeah, if you are new here, I would love if you subscribe. I put out videos 3 days a week. Mum lifestyle, so there'll be always a cleaning video, and then 2 who knows what happens. Next week I am going to be doing 5 days of videos. It's going to be a series on how I clean and organize my kitchen. It needs 5 days, trust me, it's messy. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.